Alright, good morning, Del here again. Let's go, baby. Gonna be another day. So let's see what we got yesterday. First things first. Qs and SPY gapping up. I'm hoping a 2-1-2 bullish reversal. It means, okay, no, sorry. I'm hoping for a 2-2 reversal. 2-2 bullish reversal. It means that on Qs we're gonna have above high of yesterday, we will be bullish. Until then, market gonna be chop city. The good news is that we are just $2 away. $2.50 away from that, and we can easily get that. So for that matter, I will be cautiously trading blue chip companies such as Apple, Yo, bro, what the hell? My connection just dropped. Whatever. Let me just make a ping of today is 29, is 20, is 30. 111, yeah. Alright. So, alright, I was saying that. Okay, so SPY stayed inside yesterday and it didn't move out. And so we have insider and SPY. It could be an easy 2-1-2 bullish reversal. Alright, let me put this thing on and let's see if we get this. No. Alright, hold on. Look at this. 2-1-2 bullish reversal. So this is what I'm expecting on SPY. So being completely bullish, just thinking about just this thing gonna rip, go to the upside and all the good stuff. All right. So so this is what I'm expecting to happen. So if it happens or not, I don't know, but this is what I'm expecting to happen. For Qs, as they just even lower than yesterday, 2-2 bullish reversal is what I'm expecting, right? So I'm expecting today to be a green day, especially that it's the last day of the month. So je ne sais pas, whatever, anything that is ahead of us could happen. Let's go again and see what's up with Q. What's up, bro? So, let me tweet something out here. Okay. I want to delete this video. Yeah. I should do also that on Twitch. Alright, so Slack is coming up. Senate. Japan's new prime minister, it's gonna affect JPY. nothing important going on Twitter now. So, oh, so we were here. We wanted to check. I wanted to check here to see BA. BA is a blue chip company. SPY is gapping up. This could gap up. For me personally, it's continuation, but it's the worst form of continuation as it is red. It's in small cap they call it gap and crap. So it gaps up and then pulls back down. That was happening with BA yesterday. I'm not interested in BA. Even if anything, I'm going to short this thing. If anything, I'm going to short this thing. It's just not. It's not interesting. But I mean, it's a day that I'm not going. It's a mess. It's a messy day. It's in the. Okay, so CCL obviously CCL due to continuation to downside, and this we downgrade CCL to the bad list. What the heck is my short list? Ugh. All right. So BA, no, CVS. Well, CVS finally broke out of this nasty situation that it had. I was about to go long on this thing yesterday, but you know, and here it was my long signal. Here was my long signal. 212 bullish continuation, but I didn't. So and then it just moved what, like 80 cents. Okay, I'm gonna go in a call. Let's see what's going on. CVS being removed. MGM remove. It's a 2-1-2 continuation to the downside. All of these are continuation. AMC continuation as well. What's up, baby? Yeah, this one was that AMC. AMC doesn't do it for us neither. Plug neither. GROM, the trash abuse. Hello. What's up, bro? I did.
Much. Who are you talking to?
Myself.
Oh.
I have been streaming for last 12 minutes already. So.
Oh.
Yeah. GROM, XPEV. XPEV is the only one that looks to be bullish. Nope. XPEV is down, so XPEV remove. So the only one brand from yesterday that we carry on is either AMC or CCL, both to the downside. But something funny that we have Apple today on the watch list. And where did it go? Oh yeah. We have Apple. A whole bunch of blue chip. Microsoft and you know. Was FB in the list? No. No, FB broke yesterday's low. Yeah, no, the thing is, Brent, I normally, because of trading, I don't keep the WhatsApp on PC open, so I don't get the messages on phone neither. That's why I didn't get your message. So just hit me, just hit the Skype yourself. It's alright. Whenever I'm here.
All right. Go ahead.
All right. Yeah. So what's up with you
So
and
no Sam? Is he
BBT?
mad?
I think Sam is busy with the private matters, and I'm not expecting him to show up for another like 1 to 2 days. At least
Oh.
this week he
Yeah, I
will
guess
not
he's-
show up.
he's
Definitely,
in
he's gone today. He will not show up tomorrow neither. Seattle
Right,
and
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, he was
So-
pretty quiet yesterday. Did one post and then he was gone.
Oh yeah, I mean, I told you when someone's negative wants to focus and not to talk to some clowns down here, so
Yeah, fair enough.
you yourself, you are the king of just disappearing. At the open, before the open, after the open, during the day. Yeah, I'm just saying, man.
Well, yeah. You think I can concentrate with you guys yapping?
Oh, okay. I'm happy from barking, we are being upgraded to yapping. Oh, man. Have you seen Spy?
I'm looking at it right now.
Ah man, this is a 212 bullish rep. If it drops lower than this is gonna go. Like we are easily open to 42.92. So we're easily open to get
292. 442?
that.
You mean what?
I mean
You're talking
42.92 429.2 is 42.92.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense. 429. Okay.
Yeah. So but I'm just hoping for a bullish move today. Otherwise, it's the end of the month, and shit gonna hit the fan anyway. So
Well, it hasn't hit the daily S3, or has it? Oh yeah, it has. Wait, my thing got scrunched, so it's like, yeah, it's almost down to S6. It's already past S5. So, yeah. Who knows? It could get down to the previous closing balance.
oh yeah.
I forget
We are not
what
far
Jared
away
was
from
saying
previous
about-
close. We are not far away from previous close, previous low even. So
Yeah, exactly. So I know. Yeah, if it can get below 432.89. Or 432.94, I guess. Yeah.
all right. Okay, so let's see. Apple stays on suspense. Apple looks like good long. 212 bullish rev. But I might keep this thing on suspense. Especially that we have had a huge red wick. We are still inside wick. I don't like to trade inside wicks. Yeah, I might skip on Apple. Seriously. Stayed inside of wick. I don't care who is who. If it's red, if it's inside wick, I'm not gonna trade it. So we had a nasty week on NEO. I don't know what the heck this thing gonna do. Like, look at this, a three that concludes all of the trend, and they're at the middle of it, right? And then when you look at it weekly, we have a green weekly, but we are down. Normally, when you have a 3, you need to be at the upper side of the 3 or lower side, not at the middle of the 3. This is like indecision at God's level. MSFT is like Apple. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing, but although MSFT to the downside would be the proper way to go to follow the what the heck, the broadening, the full time frame continuity. To respect full time frame continuity, it should go short. Yeah,
Well,
Microsoft is
let's go
short for.
by the pivot levels. So what are we at here? On the
We are
daily.
at all one. We are at all one.
And
No,
we're
we are
below
at
S3 now. So if we can stay below 36.41, yeah, it could be a short
36.
possible. Yeah. But if we get above
Microsoft.
it,
Microsoft is 200 something. 280 something.
I haven't looked at Microsoft for a while. Is it still dropping?
Yeah. Yeah, still.
Yeah,
You
look
know,
at that recoup.
the last time I remember it was dropping. Still dropping.
Yeah, it's still dropping. Never showed up in anyone's
No, man.
playlist all week. All week.
No.
Nothing
It's
mentioned.
just so
Hey,
weak.
it's dropping.
No.
Hmm.
I saw it. I had it on my watch list when it started to break down from the 2 rev up there. But then when the next candle was red, was 2 down, but was blue, I just like, you know what? This thing, it doesn't know what the heck it wants to do. Then huge gap down, then another huge gap down. Now it's paralyzed and doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, it's stuck in the gray pivot areas on the daily.
Yeah.
Who knows what to do?
Tesla is shoving. Tesla is shoving donuts in his face, but it looks like either way it's gonna be explosive. You know, either way. Which mostly
Tesla.
it looks like 212 bullish continuation. Everything is green. Well, it failed to break 800, but that's not really the thing that to be focused on. It doesn't mean that it's gonna break every day. So we are $12 away. Right today we can get above 800. So Tesla, I might stay bullish on it, right? Tesla, I will stay bullish on it.
Yeah, I
Especially
think it's
that
above 786. I would say bullish for sure.
786. Oh yeah. 780. Actually, my line is 785. 07. 785 is the line that I have. But I see what you mean. 786 is your R3, right?
Yeah, on the daily. What is it on the 15 here?
Yes, the same. 786, 17.
Well, right now it's between R1 and R2. So it's still a gray area as of right now, but yeah.
Yeah. So we get to FCX. FCX obviously is already dropping. We got nothing to say.
Hey,
I
why
would
don't
love.
you check out some BBT stuff? Like Space has some news.
I will
Has
check.
it's
I
getting
will
its
go through my list. I will go through my list, then definitely will check out. There's not much. There's a couple of more left. I'm not going to check
Okay.
all of them. NEM, CPNG, and Atus. I'm going to just skip on this. I'm just going to check Oracle and Walmart. What the hell? Maybe I check NEM. But M here. FCX short though. FCX for short. Because FCX open up. FCX is 32.28, and we are at 60. So today we could go red, and if it goes red, 30 would be our target for today. A beautiful PNG to the 30. Dropping beautifully. So I would love that this thing comes back and touches the freaking 33.09, yesterday's close, and then drops from there. So we get M. Oh my god, look at M. And the same M gonna be red in like a couple of cents. 91 in 8 cents. M will go red on the week, and M as well. Everything is short, bro. market correction is upon us.
Yeah, M's what, below R3 on the daily, so yeah, it's in a good spot.
Well, Oracle, if anything, Oracle looks like a good long. The issue is that, can you tell me why I'm getting cold feet for going long on Oracle? It has a very important reason.
Or our CL.
Yeah.
Uh,
Look at daily.
Why? Well, it looks like it's bullish on the weekly.
And bullish on the daily. But can you tell me what's the issue?
Just a sec. I don't know, it could be
Look at the wicks
could
on
be
the...
a 2-2 reversal on the monthly.
No. Look at the wicks on top of the candles. Look at the wicks on top of the last 2 days.
We're talking the daily.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
It's facing difficulties too. It's facing difficulties, although it's opening above R3. No. R3 is here. We are between R1 and S1. Last price is between R1 and S1. So for me, this one is long, but I will be cautious. Okay.
Above R3 on the 15. So yeah, it's at that who knows where right now. So you have to just going by the levels, which seem to be a pretty strong indicator these days for most stocks.
Oh yeah. Taurus also was saying that the most indicator is volume, and you know how important volume is for us, and how much emphasis
exactly
on volume.
It's his when, where, and how.
Yeah.
So the points are just a when, right? Or a where.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
You still have to have L2 in order to take it, but those are easy spots to kind of start looking a little more seriously at stuff.
Yeah,
that's for sure.
Yeah, sure. You don't get volume. No conversation here.
Yes, exactly. You don't have volume. It's like, well, no.
What are we doing here?
And if there's no L2, that looks good either way. Like, it's still gambling, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
I hear you.
But it's just an easy, nice spot, right? Better than range almost. Well, I mean, just as good as obvious ranges, right? Yeah.
Right. So I'm getting Tesla and Oracle for potential long, and I'm getting FCXM and Walmart for short. Yeah.
What do you think of like space is getting volume and
space?
Why?
Space. Well, actually, this long is very powerful because it gapped up hugely above the yesterday's open and high, and also the line 2388. That line is a strong former support which you gapped up above, and if you can hold above, it will be a good long. But there's one little issue. Today opened at 24.90. It reached to 25.05, and then we are bearish during the whole freaking pre-market. People are shorting it in pre-market. It's not that it's coming down because God wants this thing to come down. No, people are shorting it. So I guess I'm just going to keep an eye on it for a long situation. But if anything, if and just if it goes above A 5-minute ORB would work for me, or maybe even 2472. You know,
Hmm.
that would do for me. Yeah. So
And
what
who
else?
knows if it drops down to a daily level 2374, it could go back up to 2410 and bounce from there and then drop, right? Who
20,
knows?
yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. 2410 is your
Is the S3 on the
S3, yeah.
15.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm considering above all of this would be a place that this thing gonna go, right?
But it has enough volume in the pre-market right now, so something definitely could happen in at the open here.
Man, at the moment that we're speaking, it has more volume than SPY.
Yeah, it's almost 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5 million, and SPY is like it's SPY is getting there. SPY is getting there, but until this moment, yeah, until this moment, SPY is not there yet.
What do you think of BBBY? It's like
BBBY, BBB,
it
Bed
could
and
be
Breakfast
like
and Beyond.
squeeze here.
Oh, what the hell is happening to this thing? News or something?
I think so. Yeah, something happened. I forget what, but nothing good. But look at this; it's perfect for PMG, isn't it?
Oh, that PNG gonna be $5. $5 of PNG.
Mm-hmm.
But this thing is the issue is that this definitely gonna pull back in pre-market because people are gonna take profit. It's gonna start to pull back from now. People are gonna take profit and don't want to let it go into open. Okay, enough with the new stocks. I always forget about this. It's 24. I need to set lines and stuff. For for my levels.
Yeah, enough chit chat. Let's get to work.
Yeah. Yeah, Oracle. Let me send you this. Okay. Ooh, spice to rally. There is a beat that it has got into my head, and it's from YouTube. Okay, it's a free music that YouTube provides for you to use it in your videos. And some time ago, I ran upon this track, and it became like it got into my head, and I cannot let it go now. So 24/7, I'm listening to it. Like, you go check my videos, all of them. Okay, I'm listening to it, and it's in the background of the song, non-stop. non-stop. It is.
Post link.
Yeah, I'm
What's up?
here. Yeah, exactly. I'm posting. It's
Okay.
so slow, mellow, easy. It's just it doesn't. It's just the best song ever. And there's some little bit of suspense to it. It's so good.
Yeah, check it out when things die down. Everybody, I better review my my rules here and stuff. Thanks for going over the stuff, buddy.
Of course, man.
Really
Of course, of
helps.
course. BBIG hope, BBBY. I hope you can get something out of it. But definitely, they're gonna be people taking profit, and it's gonna go back. For me, this chart is not readable anyway. Like $5 in pre-market, no, and it's 30% down. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this thing, but I'm not going to touch this thing anyway.
When they keep talking about the PMG, what better setup is it than that, or what else are what's the
No,
criteria
it's a
for
good
it?
setup. It's a good setup. Okay, it's a good setup. But there is a catalyst that this thing is going red. Okay, there is a catalyst. So you will be going against that catalyst.
But isn't that what all PMGs are?
No, it should be just a huge drop, and then after that it continues to go, and then suddenly a technical reversal will give you back the power to go back. Ooh, 1 minute left. But we'll talk about it later.
I guess
We'll
we'll
talk about
talk
it later.
about it.
Yeah. Talk about it later. Take care. Yeah. Talk later. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. All right, FCX. I'm hoping that it pulls back. I'm thinking that it pulls back above. I'm thinking to 30, and then from 30, I will find an opportunity to short the crap out of its price action. Market gonna open in a second. Open. Walmart short. Okay, M already dropping. Yeah, M to go. I want to short this thing, but I don't want to just go after the pre-market move. It became like yesterday. So what SPY is doing? CCL shorting. Oh my god, come on! I need Tesla to go above pre-market high. Space. Space also a radical move. I'm not able to get it. But on a 2-1-2 pull back, I might. So FCX is actually the one that I'm liking the most, especially just pulling back up on 1 minute. Oh, okay, hold on. It's the one that Tesla goes red, Oracle goes red, space keeps green. So that's the one that shows potential for long. And 1 minute left. We gotta see that who is who. We got a 2-1 on a bullish to the upside. I will go long on space. Come on! Space hit it 4 times. So let's see FCX. What does FCX do? Okay, Tesla running without stop. How many shares? Oh, is Oracle? What's going on with Oracle? Okay, Oracle is going southbound. Okay, we go short on. Okay, there's no volume, but come on! God damn it! We just set our stop to break even. I think it's a negative. Yeah, it's just break even. I'm going to add to Oracle later. I'm just looking at okay, so what we have on Oracle, I gotta give it some room, but it's fine. I missed M entry on M. Okay, FCX is doing what I thought it gonna do. Let's see on 1 minute what's going. You see, this is the 2-2 reversal that I was expecting. On 1 minute, we are getting a VWAP touch. Let's see on 5 minute. On 5 minute lower than this low, I will go short. M is giving us another entry, the same price, short M with the lower stop than normal. We're short space. So space. I mean, I mismanaged space, but it's okay. Walmart was Annie's on the short list. FCX is dropping down again. Walmart, I want to short Walmart, and it would be a good short if it drops below pre-market high. It's getting too much distance from the... Holy mother of God, look at this. I just told you that what's gonna happen. What's going on with M? What's this M thing? Magnitude on M, by the way, it's down here. Let's short in 29 seconds. Oh, come on, this is garbage. Walmart is a good one. If you could, so Walmart is being held by 141.39. 200 moving average. So here we go lower than this, then I'm shorting FCX. The same as Walmart. The same as Space. Maybe Walmart is the one to go today, but it's gonna come back down. Is this a spice move? Oh, come on, bro. This would be the best. So we got the two. So here, what we are getting is a 2-1-2. I can have a very small stop for a good portion of. How it doesn't pull back today. Yesterday's. I mean, technically, yesterday's. I don't know. Oracle. I'm going to short Oracle again. Okay, here is what I wanted to. So this will be the second attempt. All right, I would love this thing to first from here and to form a 2-1-2 bearish reversal. Oh, I will get into this trade anyway again. There are two more trades to take. On what negative on space. On space, I'm still negative. Where's space? Yeah, space is the one that would be. So this would be my next trade. All right, so here, if it drops back lower, here we go. If it reaches lower than this would be a better short though. The one that reaches first is my primary. Oh, there you go, this one. Okay, M, and now we are expecting this to go lower. Oracle. FCX to the downside. Let's see what SPY is doing. They pulled back a bit, but I'm not seeing any heavy pullback on this too. Oh, all right. So we lost this signal, and we can go actually long on it. Yeah. What happened? I'll go back again though. Okay, so space is trying to hold. So here space, we are not getting the volume, but it can do volume. like a sandwich volume to the upside. So I will be expecting this thing to go higher than this. M is pulling back down, and also do I have 3? Nope. There you go. Let's go. All right, Oracle, I'm just hitting it short. We have M to go. Walmart pulling back, but we'll see about that. Just why this thing is not going. All right, so I will get out of this thing if at the LOT it gives me a full 2-2 reversal. Oh, you can just hold it too. Okay, Tesla to the upside. Tesla is punching now. We can go with, it goes blue, I'm going to hit it hard. Oh, I'm just able to just open 3 positions. I want to open a trade on Tesla, but it didn't let me. Oracle. Oh my god, Tesla is running and I'm dealing with unnecessary. If this thing goes green, I will close it. I'm not a fan of keeping this trade open. Let me see FCX, what FCX is doing. FCX, I'm not accepting anything lower than this. Okay, Oracle down. That's a negative on Oracle. 1R on Oracle. FCX to go, but the issue is that FCX could pull back from here. It's R3 and 50 at the same time, so we keep a close eye on it. If M drops, we go, which it gonna. Look at that. Biggest volume of the day. No, we go. It's an increasing volume to the short side. We had a pullback. This is a fake ad move. Everything checks out for a drop. F6 is working well. This is no good, no bueno. Okay, we have a drop in M. Let's check in 1 minute. Yeah, it's a drop. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Got it. FCX broke R3, so now actually the heavy long will come in, and if it doesn't drop back and destroy everything, I will add to it actually. This doesn't look good. Let's give it some chance. Give it a chance. So we are getting a drop in Walmart. Let's see 1 minute what 1 minute is doing, and 18. 17 maybe. Let's stand behind our stop. We got a 3. Okay, so it means that the market's power is to go lower. Let's go, baby. F6 pullback is not something that I like, but let's give it some room. Okay, the big, look at this, the big traders came in and price drop. This is a go-go. If it drops below that, not 11, I mean, it's too close. When it will move. When it drops below, yeah, 11 actually. I've got a big pullback. Big ask are coming on 20, and we have okay, let's see what we get on 1 minute. To me, we are still bearish, especially that these 3 just took everyone out. That they were shorting, especially the upside of it, it took everyone out. So I'm expecting it drop now. And here we have a little bit of battle, but it's a go definitely. We came down here, but it didn't work. Let's see. I'm not a fan of this drop though. Look at this, it's holding. This is a 2-2 volume on the upside. The correction reduced. So I see continuation to the downside. Yeah, that's how. So LOD is actually holding. If anything goes back up. Let's see, what's that? 18. I have a very bad entry. Very bad. You know what? I'm out. This doesn't work. This doesn't go. If it wanted to go, it should have gone low. I will get in again if it drops lower than, if it goes red and it drops lower than 11, I will add, but I will go in again. But for me, this is not it's not going anywhere, and forget it. So what we are getting on Oracle is a beautiful situation, 2-2 reversal to the downside. 1 man, god damn you. No, but this drop is not interesting. It could break, it could go, but maybe not. I mean, in any case, I have a very bad entry. It's holding. Let's go 1 cent lower. And I will add to this. The moment that it breaks this trade, I will add to my trade. And what's the situation? 27. It broke. It broke. So if you get anything above FCX, I'll go in again. But it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Tesla is going back down again. Oracle I will add once it breaks LOT. The thing is, oh man. I still want to go long on space, but the problem is S3 in front of me. It's torture. Like look at FCX, just holding still, paralyzed. Damn. If it goes lower than the this one goes red, this push that it had to the upside, I'll add. If it goes down. And most probably it will be my last trade on Oracle. There's no volume coming in. Look at this. Walmart, I will short below this on 15 minutes. All right. Get ready to get out of R3. If you do. Tesla, nothing yet. But on 15 minutes, I'm getting a signal, bullish signal on Tesla. So above this, actually, I go long on Tesla. Ah, Liquid Space. The one that I didn't take any trade on, it's just broke. Oh, baby. M. M 322. Oracle 37, eh? Yeah, I'm adding. That's Oracle 260. Who's that? Walmart? Walmart what? Okay, Walmart on 15 minutes signal, hitting it. Let's go, baby. What's my average? The average on M is 05. No, too early. But it doesn't go. Oh, there you go. It might pull back a little bit, but Oracle is the one that goes well. So Oracle is what's my average? Oracle is 39. We set it for 33. Walmart is getting okay. So now I'm 2R in all of these trades. And the one that I'm hopeful the most is Walmart. Walmart, if it breaks this level that I'm setting now, it would be a game changer because then it's gonna go completely red on the day. And actually I'm going to set into hugely in profit. So a little push is necessary from Oracle, to be frank. Like we get a couple of paper cuts and then one will go. So I think yesterday I made a mistake about the date. Walmart, okay, so Walmart now is officially red. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set into break even. What's the Walmart is 75. I'm just going to set 72 or just to be safe. What's the spread on this thing? 2 cents. Okay. Just going to set in positive. So okay, so 31. So M is dipping low, which is good. Well, what was my magnitude? Oh, we got to the magnitude on M. Actually we got to the magnitude, so I'm watching it closely. Or see what happened. Oh, okay. Oracle just pulled back and we got out of it. I'm 1 hour in now. Hoping that this thing just drops lower. I'm just going to be tracking this thing closely from here. But there is a good possibility that I'm going to just call it a day from here. Not even 1 cent above this. Walmart is the one. Okay, Walmart out. Yeah, you know what happened on Walmart? I'm going to get in again, but you know, Walmart, I gotta, you know, I got in about 15 minutes, but then we got into the open a game changer. Maybe this stock doesn't want to go red today. So that's why I gotta go back in again. I gotta go back in. I'm gonna go back in again, no problem, but it should give a promising situation, right? Okay, M, I'm out. Maybe just leave $2 out and maybe just in that trade anyway. I will see, you know, I might not get it, I might get it, I don't know. I was up on M2R and now 1.3R. So I mean, it didn't change it a lot, but yeah, this, you know, the out on Oracle was not nice. Like that was a crappy out on Oracle. Like space, look at space. Like look at the space. Look at it. You want to see? I have Walmart short again. I can short it again. I mean, let's see if we get volume. Oh no, we don't. Yep. We don't have volume. We're going to back yesterday's close. We need to dip down. Okay. FCX on a 2-2 reversal, we are not getting volume. God damn it. God. Look at this 212 bearish on Oracle. Like, look at it. Why should I even lose money on this thing? I'm not able to get in Walmart now. It's just the low close of yesterday's in front. No. Alright, so the out on M was not okay because it's still dropping and still going. Although my ad was nice, the whole thing was nice. I didn't want just to, because I got to the magnitude, right? I got to my magnitude. It's just there's not much more room. I don't know what I'm going to do after this. More than this, it's just look at Oracle. I was 260 shares in. 260 shares in. Damn you. And by the way, that's why I don't get into the stocks that are very near to the very close to the yesterday's close. And now we gotta get some. Look at the volume on this thing, for God's sake. Alright, Tesla is giving me a signal to the upside, but the issue is that no volume. No, absolutely no volume. What's this? The first higher volume that I get, and most probably I'm gonna get here, but I mean, I guess so. Let's go, baby. There you go, that's what I was looking for. Holy mother of God, I'm already 1 hour in. Let's go, baby. No. FCX on 15 minute is giving this beautiful signal on bullish continuation. What I don't like is that also the second candle has less volume than the first one, which is the first 15 minutes of the day. It means that the volume is fading out. So we will hope that this thing breaks above 36. Oh, sorry, 56. Oh, look at the volume. This is why I don't get into this trade. I was so meticulously careful with what I'm doing. Okay, Tesla is doing dangerous stuff. Tesla is doing Tesla stuff. Right? If it drops, I don't want it. Go, baby. Let's go, baby. Volume coming sandwich, volume sandwich, and high highs. Let's go. There you go. Retail punching up. There is no short, and big traders are coming in. Holy God! If someone has 11,000 shares sitting over there. All right, 15 minutes. What's that? I'll add to this thing. I'll add to this thing. It gets up here. It gets up here. I will add to this thing because above this it would be the this is my target. So even if I sit here, my position sits here while I'm here, I'm good because my stop is at 749. 800. I mean, I'm guessing today that Tesla today 800. Okay, this is what I don't like. This pullback at HOT is a no-no. Okay, M is still dropping, and I'm still in one little ridiculous trade right now. Get Tesla out. Let me see if there's something wrong with my pivots because they are keeping my window. Something is wrong that it's there you go. Like it should be more of this rather than that closed little window. Okay, so Tesla, this is what Tesla did. I close positive, right? No, ridiculous. From 1 hour, I close at break even. That's pathetic. Okay, let's see what SPY is doing. Ooh, that's why. This was the punch that I got from Tesla. But if we got a bounce back now, Tesla gives another opportunity. Of course, I'm going to go in Tesla again. So Tesla, Tesla, I'm looking for a 212 bullish continuation to the upside. All right. Especially that we are now above this. What's this list line? Oh boy, that was not nice. Yeah, I mean this. I got most of my shares out here, although we are like 20 cents lower. And by the way, I think 400 shares here or 600. No, 400. Okay, so let's see if SPY bounce back from here. Like Q's keeping green, but they're still inside it, and then it's just super close to go red. But then SPY is already red, and that is not what I like. Very, very, very bad. Maybe it's a short? No. Walmart is just 212 bit. I wish this one was forming down here, man. I wish this thing was forming down here. So down here is 50. Up here is 88. Just look. Okay, if I was in Tesla, I would be still in positive. But the thing is, the volume drop we had the bounce back. This is almost volume. It's the highest candle of the day. The volume is not the highest, but still promises we're gonna go higher. The average volume is on the rise. All right. So if we get a little bit of move, and Walmart looks promising. I'm gonna short this thing. Ganda. Tesla became short. The only issue is my stop was very wide. Like I got in here for $4 a stop. I should have got in with $2 stop. Oh, that would be glorious. Oh, here, even here. What the heck is SPY is doing? Oh, barcoding, of course. But it's gonna drop. We got a 2-2 rep. Okay, so here it is. 1, a 2, a 1, a 3. So it resets. A 3, a 2 up, and a 2 down, and a pull back down. It's a good short. Let's go, baby. Go. This thing goes red, I'ma hit it. And there's a reason that I'm going to do this. Let me set my stuff. Close up this thing. What's the close of this thing? The open is 43.52. 43.50. Oh, excellent. It's just I don't need to touch it. All right. So this is a short. Like this is up. No, it's a 2-2 rev now because you know this low is high. This low is lower. Tesla might go from here, but so this is a 2 up, 2 down situation. If we drop lower than this, I'm gonna short this thing. Also, Walmart is giving it now. Goes lower than this, 69. Let's go. Tesla dropping. We have here what I said I'm expecting to have. I'm shorting FCX. Oracle is dropping as well. I'm shorting Oracle. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. So from this, I'm expecting, all right, so we got to the magnitude actually. I mean, the next step is to just get to this level, like for God's sake. What's the shoe? What's the situation? It's like 22, 20. It was an awful trade, man. I got to the magnitude, but it's still moving. I mean, FCX under VWAP and then open and all of the good stuff. We got a 2, 1, 2 Walmart. Okay, I cannot get into any more trade now. Oh man, Walmart is dropping. Alright, so Walmart is moving in my direction and FCX is contrary. But I'm okay with what's happening here. Just absolutely okay. Just maybe needs to be moved 1 cent higher. Okay, that's the fake out move. I'm being fake out on 2 stocks ATM, both Oracle and let me see if it's the SPY move. It's Q's deep down. Oh, this is wrong. So we got 2 more minutes and so we got a 2-2 rev to the upside. I will definitely get out if it pulls back up. But that's the thing, we just dipped down to yesterday's close, so it's technically it needs to go red. We got a 2-2 rev on. We got a 2-2 rev on. Let's see. My stuff is okay. So what I see is that market gonna do a little bit of fake out here, then the next candle or the next one gonna drop. On 15 minutes we got a 2-1-2 bearish to the downside. I'm hiding myself behind 21, which is the former highs. Let's see, 21. Yeah, I'm standing behind 21. Definitely I will add when it drops down here, but until then I don't know. So Oracle is dipping down now. I will add actually to my Oracle once it breaks LOD, which was this one. Hopefully it manages to break that. Otherwise, I gotta close this trade, man. I don't want to be in more negative. We have the opportunity now to break. Okay, the problem is coming from here. There you go. So the highest volume of the second highest volume of the day at LOD. The more okay, Oracle, I'm going to reload on Oracle, and I'm going to reload on Oracle and so as FCX. Okay, I have too many use alerts. Yes, and I need to who's this? Oracle update 138. and the magnet is 79. Yeah, technically FCX. So on FCX on 15 minutes, actually we have all of the signals. I'm not going to touch my trade until it gets to the magnitude, which is even before LOT. And on this red line, actually I will be ever just setting to break even and not let it to just go back. Right, stop. And at 78, my stop on Oracle is 96. So 92, I say 93, above former low. 5 minutes. Did we get it? It smells like it's gonna go back and hit my FCX is doing its thing. Definitely, I'm not a fan of this pullback, but it's 212 to the downside. If it breaks, it's to add, right? Go to the downside, lower than this one. Okay. Come on, baby. 5 minute open, yeah. So we got it to actually 2 rev on FCX. There you go. I was not expecting. So I'll officially move my stop to break even at 07. Oh, Canada. 06. So Oracle actually, who's bringing SPY? Oh, SPY is short. Hey, nice. Yeah. So we officially shortened the heavily short. So I'm going to maintain all of my shorts. I'm not going to add anything, but to Oracle I'm going to add later. Whereas this is a absolutely wanted. What's that? Oracle. Okay, let me take some out, maybe. I'm going to take 28 out. So it doesn't matter what happens to Oracle now, it's a one trade. And FCX, so as FCX. FCX just pulled back heavy. I don't like it. What's that? We are fine. It's a format. Don't do this to me, bro. I have bright future foreseen for you. Okay, Oracle has just got to the next step as well. I'm just going to let it just run. SPY is dropping. FCX out. Maybe I can trade some Qs now. I had 2 positions open. Now I have another one. It's a 2 down. So Walmart, you saw, I said that I want to short this thing down here. Okay, it got down here. I didn't short it because it's next to yesterday's close, and all sort of crazy stuff might happen. So I might close my M trade, and because M is very, very light, very, very light, and it doesn't worth holding to it, but has been, you can see on my list, you can see it has been on the short list. Not because I see future, but just because this on time frame continuity, we have had short. Look at this long, look at this thing. Yeah, I tried it first, it pulled back, I wouldn't risk it. I wouldn't get out anyway, just look at this. It's just I would be safe even with the same trade still, but I got out. I didn't get in just because I didn't trust this thing. I was thinking that, oh, if this thing can be rejected easily by open, and then goes back to the upside, and today becomes 1-2-1-2 bullish to the upside. But it didn't. But I kept my money safe, right? I just kept myself safe. So now, where are we? So market's dropping, then next target would be here. Okay, so what I'm going to add, I'm going to just quickly do this quickly. What's my entry? 96. Okay, 96. I will draw Fibonacci, and on this Fibonacci, if I add 100%, my stop would be here. All right, so I'm going to add 100% and move my stop to less than 50%. Then go here and change my share size. Okay, now we remove this thing. So my new entry is 74. I don't want anything red, so I just want this thing to go lower. So Tesla went red on the day and is fighting on a 2-2 red. These hammers are reversal. Look how open range is bouncing the price. Okay. Oh, Tesla, I think SPYs are bouncing back. Yeah, there you go. But it's a temporary. If my stop 864, I don't have much room on this thing. It just, I hope it's in the drops. Otherwise, my ad would be useless. I'm not going to look at the SPY. I'm not going to look at this space anymore. Oracle is doing good. Okay, I'm going to set WMT here, then set WMT here. Oh, I'm talking about this. And set it as SPY. I don't know, for some reason I always do this. Maybe I did it the first time and then the second time it's still like this. So if we go above this, alright, which we went, no, sorry. Alright, if you go above this, it means that market has tendency to go ahead. I'm out. Okay, so now we have just one trade on. Walmart was the short of the day. We got I would like a 2-2 ref here, not the drop. All right, so I would like this thing to stay here. Another two up here below yesterday's close and pre-market low, and then another two down there. So then I'm going to short it. The short of Walmart, it would be, this line would be yesterday's close. I'm just going to remove this. Yesterday's close would be on 32, and then this would be magnitude. So obviously very tight stop, very stop. Oh, Oracle is putting back. Well, market is not. So 1.5 minutes left. Let me see what SPY can do. SPY can rip or drop from here, make it 3 down, and then if it does, it will be glorious, I'm telling you. Yeah, look at this, consolidating. A drop here would help me a lot, and it doesn't. I might get out of my position because the Qs are pulling back. Okay, one last minute. It's a drop. So if it's a drop, this is the thing. If it's a drop, Qs go down, it will go so as my Oracle trade, right? All of them are short, like SPY short, Qs short. So my Oracle trade will work perfectly, which it does. Just doing it now. Last 10 seconds. Let's go, baby. I'm 2 are up. There you go. We got it closed red. Lower SPY. I'm going to short SPY. Let's go. Five-minute SPY. Why it doesn't execute my position? There you go. Let's go, baby. Oracle, just yeah, I'm safe on Oracle. Yeah, it's doing a little bit of move, but it's gonna drop eventually anyway. SPY is short. Now it's absolutely, you know why? Because of this. You see this? Higher lows. Then we are getting a lower low. So we have 1 on 5 minutes, right? Look at this. I have 1 on 5 minutes. Let's break into the downside, and it's a bit early though. I was a little bit early. I should get out of this. But we are lower than. Yeah, it's a go. Let's go. So market is dropping. Qs are dropping. My position is working the best scenario possible that I wanted. After the consolidation, we are heading for LOT. SPY, I gotta set SPY in break even. I don't care that if it pulls back. SPY, okay, so SPY breaks lower than this yellow line, which is the yesterday's low, will definitely bounce back. I don't want to be in that. What it is? I don't want to be in that bounce, right? I don't want to be in that bounce. Let's pull it back right now. Come on. SPY out. Things gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay in this trade on Oracle. Let me take 20 shares back, 10% off. 20 shares back. It's 200 replace. Let's go. So I'm just going to sit handsome on my yeah, put it a little bit back up. 64, 10, 4, 200. It would be okay. So we're gonna fake out actually on SPY. Maybe it's not. Maybe the next 3 minutes it's gonna pull back down. We don't know. But on the way that the Q out, Oracle out. So now Tesla is giving us a signal, but I don't want to jump on that, like, because it easily can become a continuation. Like I mean, totally, guys, I totally mismanaged Oracle today, and Yeah, like totally this I neglected. Oh, come on! Look at this shit. Are you serious? Oh man, you nasty bastard. Look at this. All of them are working. All of them. Working handsomely. Look at that. Look at that. What do you call this? Man, I gotta fucking just stick to my stop. Yeah, god damn it. You chicken. Negligent. Like, chicken dinner, chicken. And then, I got the direction right. I got the execution right. I'm broken even on this thing. And then, what's that? Like, Oracle, the direction. Just nothing. Tesla, for God's sake. Tesla, the trade was right. I mean, you cannot call Tesla would be a lost trade anyway, no problem. But then, look at this. Look at this drop. I got what, like 10 cents out of it? And it dropped 85 cents on SPY. Oh man, that's painful. That's totally painful. Base, my last out was on a 65, eh? 65, 60, 34 now. With 200 shares in. And that's my magnitude. See that line? You see that red line? That's my magnitude. Oh, M. This is a go-go. Want to short SPY. Already got a 3. Let's short this thing again. What happened here? High 1920. Yeah, it's a 2 rep. Nah. Oh. All right, I'm finished this stream here. There's nothing much. There's not much to add to. Today I'm done trading. Market is hot. It just reached beyond my expectations. Where I got out actually on this thing on Oracle, it was after the break of that level was where I wanted to add. Like this level was where I wanted to add. It was my target, but I wanted to add here to sit above below this and then let it go. So I just missed whole chunk of profit because this ad brought my stuff down, my average down here, and instead of 3R, instead of 2R and a half, I closed with 0.3R. that's the downside of adding. Then there was Oracle, then there was FCX. So FCX, this is happening FCX on the 212 bullish to the upside. Although FCX was bearish, but well, guess what happened? It's breaking to the upside on. I got in there late though. I got in 10 cents late. It changed the whole aspect of my share size though. I got in here with 200 shares in, then I got out. It would be around 300 if I got in on a proper settings. Yeah, it would be 350 shares instead of 200. Anyway, so another short here with the idea of this gonna go down, but it didn't. So when these levels they resist, just get out. So the same here with SPY. Like SPY, I was expecting this to just sharply drop, something like this, something like this. But then it had difficulties to go down. It didn't. Then it pulled back. Obviously, I'm not gonna sit and watch that this thing goes back destroyed. Like it did. I didn't like this one. I really didn't like it. And when it pulled back on yesterday's close, I was like, you know what, this would be enough. But I didn't expect that the third time it's gonna go back and touch, and then it drops. I could go in by 212 bearish rev and then have this beautiful short. But Qs, I haven't had any trade on Qs today. In this indecisive and in directional. Tesla. I got in there a little bit late though. Tesla would be great to go in down here. But I didn't. So after the first top form, the first top form, and then on a 2-2 rev, a continuation of a 2-2 rev. Like look this happened. Market went up, it dropped. It's ABCD, you want to call it, whatever you can call it. So it went up, dropped. We had a 2-2 rev, bullish rev. Then we have a 2-2 continuation, pull back, and then on the push to the upside with no hustle, I just got it. I should have got out when it pulled back almost half of my profit, but then I closed it at broken even. And now it's just going to the upside at 3 and then to the upside, obviously. And the actual signal came down here, a 2-2 rev to the upside when the stock resisted, and the open resisted twice. From here, Qs, they can go green, and if they go green, which is my target, wow, I have just traded 1 hour and a half. I would be done for, I would just go long on this. Now it's struggling to go green. SPY is heavy red today. It's already down, deep down to the yesterday's low. So I'm expecting more pullback to come across. And it was a 2-1-2 bullish reversal, but it's not to take this. The next signal should be taken. And FCX is still to the upside. It came back in, moving to the upside, a 3 form here, and it looks glorious. That's why I didn't keep my short down here. So we don't know what's gonna happen. M got in pull out. Oh yeah, I got in and full got out. I should have trusted my stop. I didn't, so I missed all of this. Then I got in here, I added, then I got wicked out. Then I got in here after this 2-2 rev broke out. And then I got out all here, like 90% of my shares. And then a little bit of shares left to the downside. This would be beautiful. This would be a beautiful thing to happen. But I prevented myself from making more money. What? No. FCS space, goddamn space. And there is another one. got in here, didn't respect my stop, and then it moved in my direction. So I was in with the stop of down here $1, and it moved $1.60 in my direction. What's my stop size? No, that's not my stop. That is not why I got it. I got in there. You go. I got it based on here. Yeah. So this happened, 28 cents, and then obviously it dropped back down. I couldn't make it. I could not hold this anyway. I could get slaughtered. Definitely. Look how many more trades I actually made. Like one, another one, another one. Oh, another one. Yeah, there you go. 4 more trades. Means paying 4 commissions 4 more times. But yeah. Ooh, halt. Who's halting, baby? Come to papa. Oh, halt talk again? Ooh, this thing gotta go to toilet today. I can short it though. I totally can short this thing. 2 rep, 2 1 2 to the downside would be way to go. We got a 2 1 2 to the downside anyway. Man, this thing goes red. Oof. CPRX. I have traded this thing before. CPRX, and I had a huge loss on it. Currently halted due to whatever volume, share, size, or whatever, man. 1 million traded. This whole thing is 92 million. What the hell is this now? Oh, this is a new thing. Okay. Like these are new stocks. Forget it. Oh, beautiful shot, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I know we need a bounce. You know. Okay. $10.41. What? We halted for like last 20 minutes. Whatever, bro. FCX, nice, juicy. Yeah, let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. I was right. Totally right. I wish this one was 212. This one was 1. Glorious. Legendary. Should use legendary instead. Anyhow, let's export our stuff. And log the whole day yesterday. Man, I gotta respect my levels. I gotta respect my levels. Of course, baby. Of course it's breaking to the upside. Of course. That was the level I wanted you to trade from the beginning. Okay, now Tesla is doing what I wanted to do, but let me see SPY. We went back inside. Okay. Tesla should give a clean pattern. 2 rep. No, I don't want 2 rep. I want 2-1-2. Man, this is the dragon tail chase. Like it's exactly copy of the freaking cues. All consolidations or everything. It's identical. Q. Like at this point, FCX is the spit in the face. Like it is. It isn't spit. It is spit on the face. In my unknown, in my in. So 2, 1, 2. It's a 3 to the back to the upside. It's not going. Like what you want to do with this thing. It's not going anywhere. Look at that. Look at this. 3 minutes of nothing. Oh, that's R3. Samovsky! Samovsky! Yo!
Yeah, what's going on?
What's up, bro? You're not. You just
Not
didn't
much,
wake
you?
up now, right?
What's that?
You just didn't wake up now.
Yes, I did.
Oh man, market's hot.
Is it?
I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting for a Tesla breakout to the upside to go long on daily. And okay. So my watch list 90% everything work in my direction. I'm closing with 6R today.
Good.
Yeah, but space is still good long. It's pulling back to the VWAP and consecutive red candles, but a PMG would do a good job on 15 minutes.
What else is there?
FCX to the upside, but you need to pull back now. It's too much. It's already extended.
FCX?
Yeah, it's already gone. It's no, forget about it. It's already gone. It's ATR. Okay, Macy's. I traded Macy's. Walmart is in a very good position now. If it goes, it will go. You can play Walmart.
Okay, let me just delete this.
Yeah, it may happen a little bit later, but Microsoft long for a 2-2, it might happen later definitely because it's already green. But Microsoft the 2-1-2 bullish reversal at the edge of broadening formation to the upside.
I don't like Microsoft. I've never liked Microsoft.
Yeah, I can go. I have been in Microsoft for like $22 trade. If it goes, man. If it goes, it goes. So yeah, Tesla is also giving you even more chance to get more strength to go long, and it may even pull back to go up again.
What else? What else are you looking at?
Well, that's it for me. I mean, I'm not trading anything else at the moment. If you want to go for continuation, which I call it a little bit dangerous, Macy's can still give you some opportunity if it pulls back to weave up for more short. But instantly, currently, there's nothing else that's going on. I wanted to short, what's called this fucking stupid CCL, but it dropped heavy again. There were a couple of alerts going on, and then when I looked, it was already 20 cents lower than where I wanted to get in on CCL. So I said, yeah, I'm not going to touch this thing. Yeah. I'm posting some interesting stuff about GME, AMC, Nokia, and BlackBerry, the squeeze that happened last year. It's interesting. Read it later. These motherfuckers at Citadel and Robinhood, they knew before the restriction coming. They knew it. So they themselves, they started to go against everyone. So Tesla showing strength to the upside. It's not, there's nothing clear about it yet. The volume is declining, but we'll see. How you doing, man? All good?
Good.
It's not like you to miss the bell.
I know. My alarm didn't go off, or I didn't set it. I must have forgot.
Yeah, I thought that because of your time and everything in Seattle at the moment that's going on, you don't want to trade today.
Thinking maybe for a short on AMC at the VWAP. It's negative for the day.
Yeah, actually, VWAP is a very good place as it is former low, and 34.67 held the price heavy. So if it gets to even 75 or 77 S2, that would be juicy to get some.
Hold on, Del. Good morning. How are you? بعد ما شربش. Sorry, 34.62, 34. What's your VWAP? Mine's 34.39.
On 5 minutes, I'm getting 34.77.
Sorry, 34.78. Yeah, okay, that's the same one. Yeah. I don't think it is strong enough on the 1 minute for a reversal. There's nothing significant. I guess 500 shares. Let's see, I think. See how it reacts here. Morning, how are you? Not yet, no. Sure, if you don't mind. Okay. So it got rejected right at the VWAP.
Yeah.
Give it a minute here.
A 2-2 rep with an increase in volume would be beautiful, bro.
Yeah. I don't want to miss this though. I'm Mishum, thank you.
Mishum, it's my pleasure to do that.
Thank you, Hamdi.
يصطفوا عن انك استغرق تتحمل.
It's holding at 34.50.
Yeah, we are S3. S3 is holding. If it loses S3, good to go. I'm not touching it though. I'm just observing.
Okay. It's holding there. 34.50 is again holding. Next candles in 10 seconds. What's happening here? What's happening? It's coming down. It's coming down. Come on.
Yeah,
There you go. There you go. It's gonna lose 34.50 right now.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, 34.40. Come on.
It will pull back a bit, I think, here. 38 is a little bit of resistance.
What's pre-market low on this thing?
We are past pre-market low. It's 35.11. We lost S3. You lured me into this trade. I didn't want to take it.
Yeah.
I was done for the day. Yeah, I don't feel like being in it, man. I'm closing it. I shouldn't have gotten into this trade. at the first place. Now I close my trade. I shouldn't have got into this.
Why, are you negative on it?
Oh, no. I closed with 0.2R. But I don't want to break my rules because I just want to trade because I want to trade. I traded one thing on Oracle, and from 3R I closed it with 0.4R. And since then I just sat back and I didn't touch it. You want to see what I'm talking about? Is this one. I traded like a stupid maniac. Like I broke all my rules on this thing. Not all my rules, just a rule of what's stop.
You broke a rule? Come on, Dell.
Seriously, I'm feeling bad about myself today. Very bad. Really very bad about myself. Because in the morning I woke up, I'm going to the market with one rule and just one rule. Not to break my rule. And stop. And here you go. Broke it. To be honest, I was already handsomely in profit. Then I added 100% on the last short that you see. It's not a short, it's a add. And then I had to keep my profit protected, right? I didn't want to go all in negative because I just wanted to. So I reduced the level of my stop, and then that thing messed up with my entry, and I just got out in a very bad situation. I put myself in a very bad situation. And then it dropped from there, and then I lost all of the profit that I could have. I had 300 shares on, and since where I closed, it has dropped $1.30 without any provision. It's like it has been dropping constantly. Dip.
What stock is that?
Oracle.
Oracle.
The same as Walmart. Walmart, I was shorting it. Then I got out, then I got in, then I got out. I didn't respect myself. Otherwise, I would be in the the first trade, it would be in $1 profit. The second one would be in 77 cents profit. Just respecting my stop.
Want to eat something? I'm at dinner.
No, I'm good. I won't eat till like 12:01 today. Yeah. Yeah, 1 second. I'll be right back. Sorry. I'm just gonna grab some socks. Yo,
Yeah.
بعد شوي سمي موبايلك الحين على
Um,
المطار.
I can't hear you.
اوكي طيب.
You can't.
See.
Yeah, I can now. It's all good. I just turned up my
Alright.
volume.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
What happened to AMC? Dropping? Motherfucker. Spy is taking a dive.
is it?
Oh yeah. It just dropped both Qs and stuff. They both in last 15 minutes. They dropped $2.45. Spy and Qs they dropped $2.90.
Come on, I needed to lose 34. That'd be nice. There you go. Yep. It's struggling to lose 34-15 right now.
Yeah, Spy is pulling back. Pulling on, it pulled back. It retracted, and Qs are actually, they got bounced back by yesterday's close. The shit is about to lose the hell, all
What
the hell.
the heck?
What?
Did you look at AMC?
No, I'm not looking at.
No.
What?
Look at the time and sales for me. Do you see anything crazy?
No.
Me neither. That's weird. Dude, that's weird. No?
Yeah.
Let me show you something.
No.
Tag.
were you out of your trade or setting to break even?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'm showing you right now.
That is nasty. It's gonna drop
Bro,
from here,
that's-
definitely.
That's not normal.
Oh man, my photo is even more comprehensive than yours. Look at this. Look what I just sent you.
Just a second.
It's gonna drop from here though.
Wasn't it? Thank you.
How many trades today? 36. Okay. 36 execution, not trades.
Okay, here it's gonna drop. It should drop. I just want to know what that print was. Once it lose 34.10, I think we're good. There you go. Come on. Be nice to me. Oh, AMC is playing a dirty game.
Because of the market maker behind the AMC is getting destroyed today. My biggest loss today. Oh, look at this. My biggest loss today is $1. My biggest gain is $100.
Oh, nice.
That's how I like it to be. Oh my god, Oracle is still dropping now. Burn in hell, mother. Do you know what I'm listening to?
No idea.
The beat from the other day.
Oh, nice.
Like there's no other music in the whole world. I need to find more beats like this. Oh man, these trades are break even trades. Otherwise, I would be like 9 for 9. Can you believe that? What happened to you yesterday? I tried to catch up with you and then nothing. All good? Yesterday.
When yesterday?
After I left and then you were talking to Brent.
Oh yeah, things are perfect. Just Had to attend to some stuff.
How is the fam for the wedding? All good?
Good. Everything's good, yeah.
Would you do
This
lots
thing's
of?
gotta drop.
I'd love to.
Not yet, on Sunday.
Barbara has learned this, so whenever we have something funny or whatever, she's doing it. So it's so funny for my parents, my family. My grandma, like she's 79 now. Okay, so she
Yeah.
was just looking at me and talking. You know how listening grandmas love their grandson, eh?
Yeah.
So he was talking to me and everything. Then Barbara just jumped into the frame. My grandma was passing out from laughter.
It's not losing 3409. There you go.
Yeah, man, that long shadow that destroyed everybody, that's a short signal. Like there was no volume, but it did it. It's a short signal.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because there it is. It's gonna drop. Nice. Give me a heavy drop.
Ooh, I was 100 shares short and closed it with 5 cents profit, and now I would be 30 cents profit. But I wouldn't keep. I told you I wouldn't keep this trade.
It's gonna lose 34. Oh, come on.
And it's a PMG, then a drop to downside. I think it's imminent. One thing is that's happening. Q's bounce off of yesterday's close, and they are about to pull back. SPY hit S6 and it's pulling back up now. And I think that's the magnitude of SPY today. After this hour, the rest will be junk. Tesla, after 3 times pulling up and down, now it is red again. Yeah. Oh, dude. Damn.
Come on, lose 34. There, it's gonna lose it.
If you lose it, it's gonna be beautiful, but Did you take anything out of Walmart?
No, I'm just focused on AMC right now.
Oh, okay.
So you want to hear something funny?
Let me pause.
yeah.
Let me mute this stream.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was
I had it last year as well. But no, the issue is that it doesn't work. It doesn't show in pre-market. You had time in pre-market. That's why you have been looking. In pre-market, okay, let's see. In pre-market, it is. Let me see. In pre-market.
Please. Şun.
Okay.
ليش بتسأليني على essentially anyways? I didn't want to take it to the airport and take it off and put it. I didn't want to do that.
Yeah. So when it opens, Sam. Okay. When the market opens. All right, hold on.
Maybe they don't.
All right, listen to me. Listen to me.
Count it because.
No, listen to me. When market opens, they open the R-wall, but it will update to include pre-market move. So right now, look at this photo. This photo is 1 second into the market. This is the open print, right? I'm sending you on WhatsApp. Hold on, let me see if it's this one. No, it's not this. Neither this one. It's this one? Habibi, where are you? Oh, there you go. So listen to this.
Hello?
Hold on, let me make a phone call.
Yes.
Check the photo that I just sent in WhatsApp.
Yes, how are you?
I'll go in a second here.
Yes, I mean, this is her daughter, but you can, no, I'm not Susanna, I'm her daughter. Susanna is her daughter-in-law. My name is Ilhan, I-L-H-A-N. No, I-L-H-A-N. A-N, isn't. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you don't have Susanna's number? Okay. Okay. I don't know who did she see before because they were talking to you guys, so I'm not sure. Mm-hmm.
Did you see the photo?
Not yet. I just got into
Alright.
AMC again.
You hitting it? AMC.
Looking at Toulouse 34.
It's a good shot. Yep. Look at a beautiful 15-minute signal. Yeah, it's a short signal right
Look
now.
at the half an hour.
Mm-hmm. No, half an hour we cannot rely because it includes that
I
fucking
know, it's just
stupid
too early right
signal.
now, but
The real half an
Should
hour
drop.
started, yeah, actually it's not bad for half an hour 2-2 ref. You're already too early because 34 is the level to go in, but yeah, it's okay, you're good. The volume is kicking in, brother. It's just gonna go and lose it now. Mm.
wow, it's really 34 is really holding up here. Oh,
Wednesday, October 6th.
there you go.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
there you
what's
go.
that?
Okay, man, on 595 you have heavy beat coming in.
Yeah, okay. Dr. Peterson, October
And they are
6th.
going through, yeah, it's a short, man. Let's go. 76.
Okay, that's fine.
79. Huh? People are taking profit. Retail is taking profit. A big order came through. He's gonna
Yes,
lose it,
yes.
man. He's gonna lose it, yeah. What's your entry?
3405. I know.
Yeah, get out at 19. Yeah, okay.
I have no idea.
I almost had that.
Does she need
It's
one?
okay.
Does she need one?
Out at
before
break
she goes?
even. No harm, no foul.
You know, I have discovered this one. I can tell you with assurance that these moves at the end of the period, when it goes back up or it pulls back down, and then these moves are temporary but harmful.
Oh yeah, because they're harmful. Because if your stop loss is in the wrong place,
Yeah, exactly.
that's why it's harmful. Like look right now. Right? Like
Yeah.
Okay, is there any way you can send me the appointment? You have my my address. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll let them know. Okay, hold on, let me get a pen. Let me write it down. Hold on.
Phone call.
حشش هذا على
huh?
حشش عليك هذا طريقة الطين.
No, I'm good here. It's not mine. This. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I got something funny for you.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, fuck, that's funny.
Should be the let me make it focus.
Yeah, she took it upstairs, yeah.
Hold on.
Thank you, Auntie.
سلام. چطوری دکتر
نه.
جان؟ خوبی؟ سلامتی؟
Good.
میگم که دکتر جان So this is too red. It smells like this thing stinks. Like the way that this the LOD is holding, 34 is holding. It stinks, man. It doesn't work. So my
Yeah, look at the picture I sent you. You're gonna die laughing.
I'm reading it.
I love you, Batman.
No, you know the sound about something. What she's wearing in this photo, it's not burqa. What it is, a full-fledged. What's the name of this thing?
I don't know.
I know. Burqa is the one that Arabs put to cover their face, but it's metal. It's not this one. It's not the fabric. It's not this one. Burqa is something else.
Yeah, 34 is holding pretty strongly.
Yeah. Okay,
But
really
it's
respect.
hilarious.
Yeah, it's hilarious as fuck. Let me send you a photo in response to this. Because of Ale, I'm not able to post this. But here it goes.